Welcome to Mad Media Matrix, where we dive into the unknown and uncover the secrets of our planet. Today, we're exploring one of the most mysterious places on Earth, the deep ocean. Covering over 70% of our planet, the ocean is vast, dark, and largely unexplored. It's a world of wonder and mystery, where strange objects, bizarre creatures, and unexplained phenomena lie hidden beneath the waves. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 most unexplained things ever found in the deep ocean. From ancient structures to eerie sounds, these discoveries will leave you questioning what else is lurking in the depths. So grab your snorkel and let's dive in. In 1997, the NOAA recorded a loud, low-frequency sound in the Pacific dubbed the bloop. It was louder than a blue whale and picked up over 3,000 miles. The sound's characteristics were organic, meaning it resembled animal vocalizations. Some researchers initially believed it could be the call of an enormous, unknown marine creature, possibly even larger than the blue whale, the largest known animal to have ever existed. Others suggested it might be linked to ice calving from Antarctica, but no definitive source has been located. The ocean in that region remains largely unexplored, so the bloop continues to fuel both scientific curiosity and deep-sea monster theories. To this day, no one knows what really caused the bloop. Discovered in 2011, a circular 200-foot-wide structure resembling a UFO was found underwater. It interferes with electronics, and no one knows what it really is. Some of the anomaly's features include what appear to be perfectly right angles, smooth stone corridors, and even what looks like a staircase. Divers reported odd interference with electronic equipment when near the structure, adding to its mystery. Skeptics believe it's a natural rock formation shaped by glacial activity, but the Ocean X team, who discovered it, insist it looks artificial. Until further detailed investigation is done, theories range from natural geology to remnants of ancient civilizations, or even UFOs? Is it a World War II relic? An alien spacecraft? No solid answers, just speculation. Off Japan's coast, intricate sand circles turned out to be made by tiny pufferfish. But how such a small creature makes such perfect geometry is still a mystery. These circles, made in soft sand, have ridges and grooves arranged with meticulous symmetry. Researchers found that the pufferfish uses its fins to create these designs over several days. It also decorates the center with shells and coral fragments to attract females. The level of design suggests a kind of natural intelligence, not often credited to small marine creatures. It also challenges our understanding of courtship behavior in aquatic life. But here's the twist. No one knows how such a small fish achieves such architectural precision. Even with the explanation, these underwater crop circles still feel almost alien. These are hydrothermal vents spewing boiling water, supporting entire ecosystems without sunlight. It's like alien life, right here on Earth. These hydrothermal vents are often located near volcanic regions or tectonic plate boundaries. The temperature of the fluid released can reach up to 400 degrees tax, 752 degrees, yet life thrives there. Giant tube worms, clams, and extremophile bacteria form complex ecosystems in these hostile environments. Scientists believe these environments may mimic early Earth conditions and could offer clues about how life started on our planet, or how it might exist on Europa or Enceladus. These zones could resemble what early Earth looked like, or maybe how life on other planets starts. It's like alien biology right here on Earth. Creatures in the deep grow far larger, giant squids, isopods, etc. Scientists can't fully explain why, though cold temperatures and pressure are possible factors. Notable examples include the giant squid, which can reach lengths of 40 feet, and the Japanese spider crab, which spans up to 12 feet. One hypothesis suggests that larger sizes help conserve energy in cold environments, while others argue that a lack of predators allows for unchecked growth. Another theory ties it to increased oxygen concentrations at depth, although this remains speculative. It's an evolutionary puzzle that raises more questions than answers. Some say it's low temperatures, others think it's pressure or slow metabolism. But there's no consensus, just monsters in the abyss. Massive underwater stone structures found near Japan could be natural or remnants of an ancient civilization. No one is sure. The site includes features that resemble stairs, platforms, and terraces, all of which align with cardinal directions. Supporters of the artificial structure theory point to tool marks and right angles as evidence of human intervention. If man-made, it could date back to over 10,000 years ago, predating known ancient civilizations. However, skeptics argue that underwater currents and natural fracturing can produce similar shapes. The debate continues with no firm conclusion in sight. No artifacts have been found, no writing, but the precision of its geometry keeps the mystery alive. It's called Turritopsis dohrnii, a jellyfish that cheats death. Turritopsis dohrnii can revert to its juvenile form after maturing. This process of biological immortality isn't fully understood and might be a key to anti-aging research. This jellyfish achieves its biological reset through a process called transdifferentiation, where its cells transform into different types. In a lab, scientists observed this cycle occurring repeatedly, theoretically allowing the jellyfish to live indefinitely. This process raises questions about cellular aging and DNA repair. Research is ongoing into how this could impact human medicine, particularly in regenerative therapies and aging reversal. These unexplained underwater sounds were recorded years apart and have no confirmed sources. They're unlike known marine or geological noise. Julia was so loud that it could be heard across the equatorial Pacific. Slow down drops in frequency over several minutes, unlike any known marine or geological sound. Some attribute these sounds to ice movement or underwater landslides, but there's no consensus. What's strange is that many of these sounds originate in remote, deep areas with no seismic or volcanic activity, keeping the mystery alive. Most deep-sea creatures glow in the dark using bioluminescence, but many of these light patterns and their exact purposes remain unstudied. Creatures like the anglerfish, comb jellies, and lanternfish use light for hunting, mating, and camouflage. Bioluminescence is caused by a chemical reaction involving luciferin and luciferase, but the regulation and complexity of these displays vary across species. Some light patterns are synchronized across schools of fish or large areas. Mechanisms, still largely unstudied. This phenomenon holds potential for medical and technological applications, including bioimaging and biosensors. What else is glowing down there? Sailors have seen glowing patches in the ocean for centuries. Satellites confirmed one, possibly caused by glowing bacteria. But how they light up in sync is still a mystery. Unlike bioluminescence caused by individual flashes, milky seas glow steadily and can last for days. The glow is so bright that it's visible from space, and sailors describe it as sailing through a luminous milk. It's believed that Vibrio bacteria might be responsible, but the scale and coordination of such bacterial colonies defy current understanding. The largest recorded Milky Sea was the size of Connecticut. Scientists are still trying to figure out how and why these bacteria coordinate on such a massive level. The deep ocean is like another planet, right here on Earth. We've walked on the moon, but we know less about our own seabeds. Which of these mysteries fascinated you the most? Drop a comment below and let's talk theories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you want more strange and fascinating content from the world's most mysterious places. Until next time, stay curious.